Hello, I am Dr. Sriram Ramalingam, ophthalmologist, medical director, cataract and refractive squint surgeon at Pradnya Nethralaya, Atinagar, Bangalore. Thyroid eye disease is a condition in which the eye muscles, the eyes, the tear glands, and the fatty tissue behind the eye gets inflamed. This leads to what is called as thyroid related eye disease. Now this is an autoimmune disease, that is, the human immune system causes an inflammation in the muscles, the eyes of the eye. This inflammation leads to severe redness and prominence of the eye. The prominence of the eye is called as proptosis or occasionally called as exophthalmos. So patient may come to you with a staring look. So this is what is called as exophthalmos. The pressure, the swelling in the eye can occasionally lead to pressure behind the eye, and this can compromise on the optic nerve and can lead to decrease in vision. So thyroid related eye disease can cause a decrease in vision. The autoimmune condition which affects this eye is called as a Graves' disease. This autoimmune condition not only affects the eye, it also affects the thyroid gland. So hence it is called as Graves' thyroid ophthalmopathy. The thyroid levels may be hyperthyroid, that is, the thyroid levels may be high. Occasionally it may also be low, or very rarely it can be also normal. So a thyroid related ophthalmopathy usually has a hyperthyroidism, but the thyroid levels may also be normal. So the most important is to find out what is the thyroid levels in the person. What are the signs and symptoms of the thyroid related eye disease? The most remarkable symptoms or sign will be proptosis or what is called exophthalmos, that is, the eye will be very prominent and bulging forward. The full eye will be exposed. The eye may not be able to close completely. Patients may complain of grittiness, dryness in the eye. Muscles gets involved. So because of the muscle involvement, patient may not be able to move the eye in some direction of the paralyzed muscle. They may complain of double vision. They may also complain of decrease in vision because of the pressure behind the eye to the optic nerve, which leads to the nerve damage. Treatment is diagnosing this condition is very important. A treatment involves an endocrinologist as well as an ophthalmologist. One need to diagnose what is the status of the thyroid. One need to treat for the thyroid condition. As far as the eye is concerned, if the pressure is high, then one may need to decrease the pressure by using eye drops. Occasionally, if the pressure becomes too high, an ophthalmologist may advise decompression surgery. Decompression is basically to decrease the pressure behind the eye using decompression procedures. But most important is the thyroid needs to be controlled. The risk factor of thyroid related eye disease is smokers. Patients who are smokers have got a very high chance of developing thyroid related eye disease. So quitting smoking is the most important first step in treating thyroid eye disease. Next comes treating your thyroid, and last comes treating your eye condition. So it's a multi-pronged treatment depending upon what stage of thyroid related eye disease one person is. So very important, with thyroid related eye condition, immediately consult an ophthalmologist so that treatment can be done aggressively to prevent further damage to the eye.